I am Pragati Patole from Sri Siddheshwar Women's College of Engineering, Solapur. Today I am delivered to a topic understanding your fundamental rights. What are fundamental rights? A simple explanation. Fundamental rights are basic human rights in the constitution of country. They are essential for the moral and material development of all citizens, ensuring a life of dignity and respect. These rights are legally enforce, enforceable, meaning you are seek judicial remedy if they are violated. First one is inherent. They are intrinsic to human, not granted by state, universal, applicable to all citizens without discrimination. Third one is protected, guaranteed by the Constitution and enforceable by court. Right to equality, ensuring fairness for all. The right to equality guarantee that all citizens are equal before the law, prohibiting discrimination on grounds of religion, race, caste, place of birth. It also ensures equal opportunity in public employment, promoting social justice and equal standing for every individual. Equality before law. Every person is subject to the same law. No discrimination. Prohibit based on various factors. Equal opportunity. Fair access in public employment. Right to freedom. The right to freedom, a broad range of liberties vital for individual growth and democratic society. It includes freedom of speech and expression, assembly, association, movement, residence, and the right of practice any professional. These freedoms are essential for active participation in public life and personal autonomy. Speech and expression. Voice your opinion freely. Assembly gather peacefully without arms. Association. Form unions and associations. Movement and residence. Travel and settle anywhere in the country. Professional. Choose any occupation or business. These freedoms are not absolute and can be subject to reasonable restriction in the interest of public order, morality, or national security. Right against exploitation, protecting the rights aim to prevent the exploitation of individuals, particularly val- vulnerable group. It prohibited forced labor, human trafficking, and the employment of children below 14 years in hazardous occupations. Its purpose it is to uphold human dignity and prevents any form of involuntary servitude of regretting treatment. Prohibit, Prohibition of human trafficking bans the buying and selling of human beings, including slavery. Abolition of forced labor forbids any form of compulsory work without payment. Prohibition of child labor safeguards children for dangers of work employment. Right to freedom of religion, practicing your faith. The right of freedom of religion guarantees every citizen the liberty of profess, practice, and propagate any religion or no religion at all in In short, religious institutions can manage their own affair, affairs and protects individual from compulsory religious instruction in state-funded educational institute. This right underscore the secular nature of the state, ensuring impartial, impartiality towards all faith, freedom to profess, choose any declare your belief, freedom to practice, observe religious rituals and customs, freedom to propagate, share religious beliefs without coercion, manage religious affairs, autonomy for religious institution, culture, cultural and educational rights, preserving heritage. This right protects the interest of minorities, allowing them to conserve their distinct language, script, and culture. Protection of language and culture, safeguard distinct linguistic and cultural identities for minority groups. Government aids ensure no discrimination in receiving state aids for this institute. Establish educational institution. Minorities can set up and manage their own school. Right to constitutional remedies seeking just, justice. Consider the heart and soul of the Constitution. This right empowers citizens to move the Supreme Court and or High Court for enforcement of their fundamental rights. It makes all fundamental rights justiciable, ensuring that violation can be challenged and remedied through legal means. These rights act as guarantee of all other fundamental rights. Access to court, directly approach Supreme or High Court rights. Courts can issue orders like habeas corpus, mandamus, etc. Enforcement ensure fundamental rights and upheld.